This is Project V, and this is the very much disliked rough finish on the walls. And we want to go as smooth as ever. So the norm is to chip out the old plaster and replaster. And we chatted to experts in the industry, and we thought there has got to be a better way. So we discovered ITE products. Peter, thanks for being here.
Oh, Steve, great to be on the show.
Thanks. Tell us about this magic product, DURALiTe D50, that's going to help us in this situation.
So the product is a white cement-based polymer modified skim coat. It's designed specifically for applications of this nature, where you can go over old paint, rough textured finishes, or any problematic areas that you might have. It's designed specifically to be applied exteriorly.
And it's applied very much the same way you would apply your traditional sealing skimming products. And we think this is a much better, cheaper and stronger solution, and we'll show you why. Let's get started. At the bottom we plastered over the face brick, so it's important to make sure the plaster is cured properly, then remove any loose debris and water down. On the rough finish, this loose flaky paint needs to be removed by scraping it down, wire brushing or pressure washing. Mix DURALiTe with water using an electric paddle mixer until lump-free. No additional additives required. This is a two-coat application because we've got quite a raised surface. Apply the first coat with a trowel in an even and smooth manner. Leave to dry for 24 hours. Remove any excess residue or protrusions from the first coat. Time to apply the second coat in the same way as the first coat. Use water and a steel trowel to smooth the surface off. This will bring the fine materials to the surface. Just before it dries, it's time to float using a rubber float and water. Then polish the surface with a steel trowel to bring it to its final smooth finish. Then leave to dry before painting. The end result is amazing, silky smooth finish. And I can't believe we just applied it to the existing walls. No chipping out of the old plaster required. Skimming for external purposes has never really been a thing. This is a first for South Africa and it's changing the game. Done by the innovative company ITE. I'm super impressed with this product. There's hardly any wastage when the guys apply it. It's not messy at all. And the main thing is we've got a smooth finish and a quality product.
Yeah, Steve, you're right on that. We believe that it's the most affordable way to revamp your house and give it a modern look without breaking the bank.
And I believe you guys have done your extensive testing on the product.
So we put it through rigorous testing, water tests where we have water jets spraying onto it for many months, accelerated UV tests in excess of 9 years. So yeah, we're pretty confident on the product that it'll survive our South African exterior.
Well, there you go. An affordable product that is top quality, and that's what we're all about as well on Flipping Johannesburg. So head to the ITE website to find out more about this product and many others.